and reputations are riding on these races. Rillito's GM says they try to keep the sport as clean as possible.
We call it the greatest 2 minutes in sports, and so there's all eyes on it.
All eyes on the world of horse racing with the announcement that Kentucky Derby winner Medina Spirit tested positive for a corticosteroid called beta-methazone.
There are legal and illegal drugs, and they try and keep this sport as clean as we can be, as it can be. We do pre-race tests, we do after-race tests, and we do the same at Rillito. We check the horses before, and we look for soundness and any abnormality.
Now, Weiss says he can't speak specifically about Medina Spirit, but there have been cases where a horse can test positive for a drug it's not taking.
I mean, there has been cases where something was mixed, through spray in the hay or the straw, or maybe a groom had a skin irritation and was putting cortisone on it and had it on his fingers as he was grooming the horse.
The Kentucky Racing Commission says Medina Spirit tested positive for 21 picograms of the anti-inflammatory in a post-race sample. The legal limit in Kentucky, 10 picograms.
There's so many scenarios, but you really can't point at any of them because we just don't know.
A split sample of blood and urine will be sent to another lab for testing. Until then,
we really have to give it time and see how it plays out. See how, of course, everybody's going to react immediately because this was not only the Kentucky Derby winner, but it was also Bob Baffert.
Now, Baffert is still scheduled to race next week at the Preakness in Pimlico. We've got you covered from the newsroom. Shelley Jackson, News 4 Tucson.